I will never tell someone they shouldn't learn how to freehand sharpen. However, when you're just getting started, there are already so many things to remember and do. Why not cut yourself some slack and get yourself a honing guide? Using a honing guide and a simple setup jig is a great way to get repeatable angles every time you sharpen and very consistent results. As I said in the last video, the Lie-Nielsen is definitely my favorite honing guide, but I used the Eclipse guide for a long time while I was waiting for this one to come out. Really, you can get by with any solid side clamping honing guide that has a single wheel under it. Lee Valley also makes a honing guide that has a smaller single wheel. It's a little less expensive than the Lie-Nielsen, but much better made than the Eclipse. If you're willing to put up with the little challenges that you might have while you're setting up the Eclipse guide, this one is a great way to start if you're not sure about whether you would use a guide or not. Lee Valley also makes a few other honing guides. They have a lot of levers and switches and doodads, and they just seem to make things overly complicated. So if you're going to go with Lee Valley, I recommend the one that I'm linked to in the notes. Or if you want to save a whole bunch of money, you can go with the Eclipse. But if you really want the best one with the interchangeable jaws and the really good machining, get the Lie-Nielsen and you won't be sorry. One of the other guides out there that is really nicely made, but I don't particularly recommend, is the Kell guide. Like I said, it's a beautiful honing guide. It's very well done, but it has a pair of wheels on it. And I like the single wheel design because I like to camber most of my irons. All of my bench planes, my block plane, those blades have cambered irons on them. So by that I mean I've put just a slight radius at the end. And if you have two wheels as a reference point, you can't put that camber in. With a single wheel, you can just put a little more pressure on one side or the other, and you can take a little bit deeper cut on the edges than you do in the middle. Don't forget, the joint effort is never sponsored, so buy any of these guides you like. Just make sure you buy a side clamping guide with a single wheel and put it to work.